Question: the circuit whose properties are same in either direction is known as answer bilateral circuit. Next question: a mica capacitor and a ceramic capacitor both have the same physical dimension, which will have more value of capacitance. Answer: ceramic capacitor. Next question: what is the value of capacitance that must be connected in parallel with 100 pf consider to make equivalent capacitance of 150 pf? Answer: 100 pf. Next question: dash circuit is this that circuit whose properties or characteristics are the same in either direction? Answer: bilateral circuit. Next question: an air capacitor of capacitance 0.005 microfarad connected to a direct voltage of 500 volt is disconnected and then inserted in oil with a relative permittivity of 2.5. What is the energy stored in the capacitor before and after immersion? Answer: 625 multiplied 10 power minus 6 joule, 250 multiplied 10 power minus 6 joule. Next question: the circuit whose parameter are constant is called a linear circuit. Answer: yes. Next question: a conducting body has surface charge density of coulombs per meter square. The field intensity at its surface will be. Answer: that. Question: if AC voltage is applied to capacitive circuit, the alternating current can flow in the circuit because. Answer: varying voltage produce the charged in and discharging currents. Answer: which of following capacitor will have the least value of breakdown voltage? Answer: electrolytic. Next question: if a circuit does not contain any source of energy or EMF, it's known as. Answer: passive network. Next question: the time constant of R and C circuits is defined as the time during which capacitor charging voltage actually rises to dash percent of its dash value. Answer: 63.2% and final value. Next question: the circuit parameters may be passive, non-linear, active, linear. Which is the following a valid for a gas diode? Answer: 1 and 4 means active and non-linear. Next question: the breakdown voltage for paper capacitor is usually. Answer: 200 to 100 1000 and 600 volts. Next question: the sum of EMFs around any closed loop of a circuit equals the sum of the potential drop in that loop. Answer: yes. Question: a dash circuit is one whose properties or characteristics change with the direction of its operation. Answer: unilateral. Next question: which of the following material has least value of dielectrical constant? Answer: oil. Next question: in a series parallel circuit, any two resistance in the same current path must be in. Answer: series with each other. Next question: a capacitance of 100 microfarad is connected in series with a resistance of 8000 ohm. The time constant of the circuit is. Answer: 0.8 second. Next question: two plates of a parallel plate capacitor after being charged from a constant voltage source are separated apart by means of an insulated handle. Then the. Answer: voltage across the plates decreases. Next question: in a cable capacitor, voltage gradient is maximum at the surface of the. Answer: conduction. Next question: the sum of the currents entering a junction is greater than the sum of the currents leaving the junction. Answer: no. This is false. Question: electrical field inside a hollow metallic charge sphere is. Answer: 0. Next question: for maximum transfer of power, internal resistance of the source should be equal to the load resistance. Next question: which capacitor will be physically smaller for the same ratings? Answer: ceramic capacitor. Next question: two metal plates distance d apart from a capacitor, the value C farads. Another metal plates of thickness d upon 2 and of the same area in inserted in between these two plates, capacitance of these three plates capacitor will be. Answer: 2. Next question: two capacitor A and B are connected in series across a 100 volt supply and it is observed that the P dot ds across them are 60 volt and 40 volt respectively. A capacitor of 2 microfarad is now connected in parallel with A and PD across B rise 90 volt. What is the capacitance of A and B in microfarad? Answer: 0.16 microfarad and 0.24 microfarad. Next question: if the energy is supplied from a source whose resistance is 1 ohm to a load of 100 ohms, the source will be. Answer: a voltage source.